Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. Created and illustrated by James Dean and story by Eric Litwin. Please enjoy. Pete the Cat Saves Christmas. 'Twas the day before Christmas, and Santa was ill. In the cold winter wind, he had always caught a bad chill. Will Christmas be canceled? Will it come to that? Never, cried Santa. Let's call Pete the Cat. Santa asked Pete to deliver the toys to all the good girls and to all the good boys. I'll do it, said Pete. And all through I am small at Christmas we will give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. Pete jumped in his red minibus and started to roll. Road trip, cried Pete. First trip, the North Pole. The reindeer were waiting to give Pete a toll, so he picked up the presents and told them to go. Then the mini bus flew, just like in a movie. Pete the Cat cried, "This is totally groovy." I could do it, said Pete, and all through I am small. At Christmas we will give, so I'll give it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. Hey, just so you know, it don't matter what way you get, you're gonna get bad. He's the one driver, I'm the now driver. You're gonna be hurt all the way back. As the children were sleeping, all snug in their beds, Pete and his reindeer appeared overhead. I'll be in there listening to my stereo. Straight down the chimney, Pete flew in a dash, then back in his minibus, quick as a flash. Each time he delivered a holiday gift, he crossed off a name written on Santa's list. Santa's list was so big, and Pete felt it small. But at Christmas we give, so he give it all. Give it all, give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all. At the very last minute, they reached the last house. Pete dashed in and out just as quiet as a mouse. Then, right at the break of a new Christmas day, Pete and his reindeer were flying away. Back at the North Pole, old Santa was waiting. The elves and the town folks were all celebrating. Thank you, Pete. Small is cool. Santa was dressed in his red coat and hat and cried, "Hip hip hooray for our friend Pete the cat." "I did it," said Pete, "and although I'm small, in the spirit of Christmas, I gave it my all. Give it your all, give it your all. At Christmas we give it your all." To Pete. Well, Pete did it. He saved Christmas. He helped Santa, huh? Wasn't that sweet of Pete doing that? Helping old Santa. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this reading, hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got. I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, and take care, everybody.